Okay. Let's start with do acupuncture point do 1 or GB1. This is located on the midline, midway between the tip of the coccyx and the anus. This is the low connecting point of the meridian that connects to the Ren meridian and increases the yang of the Du meridian. Next point is Du 4. This is located on the posterior midline below the spinous process of the second lumbar vertebra. This point is also called the gateway to life, and this point is situated between the back shoe points of the kidneys and treats infertility and erectile problems, especially in men. This is used together with UB23. Next point is Do 6. It is located on the midline below the spinous process of the 11th thoracic vertebra. This point is a good point against tension in the back and muscles and is used in opisthotonous and epileptic fits. Next point is Do 11. It is located on the midline below the spinous process of the 5th thoracic vertebra. This point is situated between the back shoe points of the heart, and this is an excellent point to treat concentration problems, and it is generally used along with bladder 15. So here are the pictures where the Du meridian is located. From Du 1, we have Du 3 to 5 along the lumbar area, lumbar vertebra, and the rest from Du 6 to Du 12, it's in, and until Du 13, it's in the thoracic area. Okay. So next point is Do 14. Do 14 is on the midline below the spinous process of the 7th cervical vertebra. This is the meeting point of all yang meridians, and this is an immune enhancing point. Next point is Do 20. It is located at the junction of a line connecting the apices of the ears and the midline. 5 soon from the anterior or 7 soon from the posterior hairline, respectively. This point is where 100 are at conference. The point is an excellent tranquilizing point and is suitable for patients with sleep problems, obsessive nature, and for those who are too much in the head. Marami masyadong iniisip. When given against the direction of the meridian flow, it will give a sense of tranquility and detachment. Care should be taken not to use this point on patients who need to drive long distances after the treatment, as they could be disoriented. This point can also be used in the direction of the meridian flow with the intention of tonifying the yang in the mind. This would be a good treatment to improve concentration and mental capacity. Okay. Here's the picture where from Do 14 to Do 20. Do 20 is on the top of the head. Okay.